Hi, my name is Muhammad Ryan Abidin. I will explain about airspace. Did you know about the airspace? The airspace that is provided with flight traffic service is in the form of flight information service, alert service, and flight traffic advice service. For airspace specification divided into two parts. For the first, control airspace consists of control area, terminal control area, control zone, aerodrome traffic zone, and for the second, uncontrolled airspace consists of flight information region, aerodrome flight information zone. For the next, airspace classification divided into five parts for controlled airspace. For the first, Class A airspace, Class B airspace, Class C airspace, and Class D airspace, and Class E airspace. And for uncontrolled airspace divided into one part, like Class G airspace. For the following is definition about airspace classification consists of Class A airspace is generally the airspace from 18 feet 3 or 3.41 miles sea level MSL up to and including a flight altitude FL 600 including airspace over water within 12 nautical miles or NM of the coast of 48 states or adjacent and Alaska. Class B airspace. Class B airspace is generally the airspace from the surface to 10,000 feet MSL surrounding the country buses airport in terms of airport operation or passenger planes. Class C airspace is generally space from the surface up to 4,000 feet above airport level made in MSL that surrounds an airport that has an operational control tower, is served by radar approach control, and has a number of IFR operation or passenger planes. Class D airspace. Class D airspace is generally for the airspace from the surface up to 2,500 feet above the altitude of an airport mapped in MSL which currently has an operational control tower. And for the last, control airspace. Class E airspace. If the airspace is not Class A, B, C, or D is controlled airspace, then it is Class E airspace. Class E airspace extends upward either from the surface or designed to altitude to control airspace above it, or adjacent when specification as surface area. The airspace is configured to accommodate all instrument procedure. Also, this class and are Federal Airways airspace starting at 700 or 1,200 feet above ground level or AGL used for transition to and from terminal or environment en route to design domestic and offshore airspace below 18,000 feet MSL. This is for uncontrolled airspace. Class G airspace, uncontrolled airspace, is a part of airspace that has not been designed as Class A, B, C, or A, B, C, D, or E. Therefore, airspace not controlled by ATC is designed. Class G airspace extends from surface to bottom Class E airspace. Although ATC does not have the authority or responsibility to control air traffic, pilot must be remembered that there are minimum visual flight rules or VFR that apply to Class G airspace, and flight over private property should not be considered valid. That's all from me, and thank you.